In previous labs, we did the deployment of VCF 9 from scratch. Then we did the convergence in which we upgrade the vSphere 8 to vSphere 9. In this lab, this particular module, we are going to upgrade the VCF 5 to VCF 9. So my upgrade path to VCF 9, if we have a vSphere or VCF, we have VCF, then do we have a Aura operations? If no, then upgrade the SDDC manager, then upgrade the SDDC, then upgrade the VCF ops and VCF fleet manager, register and configure the ops and fleet, deploy the VCF ops collector, and then license to VCF 9. If we have the VCF ops, then do we have a Aura lifecycle manager? If yes, then upgrade to LCM 8.18p2, which we did in previous lab. Upgrade to VCF ops and deploy the VCF fleet. Upgrade the STDC manager. Upgrade the STDC. Deploy the VCF ops collector. Then license to VCF 9. If we don't have a LCM or a lifecycle manager, then upgrade the Aura ops to VCF ops. Deploy and register fleet management. Upgrade the SDDC manager. Upgrade the SDDC. Then configure the fleet and deploy the VCF ops collector and license to VCF 9. So there are prerequisites to while upgrading from VCF 5.2 to VCF 9. Upgrade to VCF 5.0. Sequential or tip the level from VCF 5 to VCF 9. Transition to VLCM image. Use PowerShell script or API. Upgrade Aura Ops 8.x to VCF Ops 9. Upgrade pathways depend if we are using Aura LCM. Verify capacity for each component. VCF operation fleet manager, VCF operation collector, aka VCF operation proxy, VCF automation. There are some considerations for the upgrade. Upgrade management domain first. Can manage the vSphere 8, VCF 5.2 domain from the VCF 9 management domain. Upgrade the path vary depend upon the Aura suite component deployment. Example, Aura Ops and Aura LCM. Existing component upgrade. If no existing component are in use, deploy them prior to upgrade. Relicense after upgrade done from VCF operations. VCF 5.x to VCF 9 upgrade limitation. Notable limitation cannot be VxRail managed. Okay. Upgrade. The part 2 VCF 9. Common VCF 5.x to VCF 9 upgrade path. Upgrade 5.2 to VCF 9, no Aura component. VCF 5.2, VCF custom with the Aura suite. Then there's another scenario is VCF 5.2, where we have SDDC manager, ECX, vSAN, and Aura Ops. The VCF 5.x custom with the Aura Ops that is not managed by a Aura lifecycle management. And when we have a Aura lifecycle management, we Aura Ops, VIDM, and Aura Auto custom with the Aura LCM Ops Auto. So how do we start? First, download the SDM manager, update, upgrade the SDM manager, download the NSX, PC, and ESXi binaries, upgrade the NSX, upgrade the vCenter, upgrade the ESXi, then upgrade the vSAN, oblique VDS, distributed switch, deploy ops 9, deploy fleet 9, register ops and fleet, add VCF deployment target in ops, configure depots and download the binaries, management binary, upgrade the ops certificate, import ops and deploy collector, deploy auto, relicense to VCF9, and post upgrade is deploy logs, deploy VIDB, configure a single sign-on, enable vCenter linking, deploy ops for NET, HCX. So common path to upgrade VCF9 with the standalone Aura operation to VCF 9.0. In here, we didn't have the operation Aura ops. So we'll upgrade the ops, down deploy the fleet, register the fleet management and ops. Then we'll follow the same process what we did in previous session. We'll have the SDDC manager upgrade. SDDC manager upgrade after downloading it has been upgraded. Download the NSX, ESXi, vCenter binaries, upgrade the NSX, upgrade the vCenter, ESXi. I think it is same. 6 steps in here, 6 steps in there. The next are 3 steps, vSAN. Then we'll upgrade the vSAN. And in previous step, we were having 3 things to do. Not only the vCenter upgrade, it is vSAN, fleet, and ops. Since fleet and ops has been done prior, so this step will be skipped in this particular stage because it has been done prior. So we'll just take care of the vSAN and VDS. But in case when we have a VCF5 only, not Aura ops, then this is 6. We have a step 8 and 9. In here it is that's 8 and 9 becomes the first and second and third. Okay. Add vCenter deployment target in ops, configure deports and download the management binary, upgrade the ops center, import ops and deploy collector, deploy auto, and relicense for VCF 9. In here we have 6 steps. In here we have 5 steps. Which one is not there? Add ops. Okay, register this one step which was after this has been become a third step. Okay, when we have Aura ops, there has been some changes. So third scenario is when we have Aura lifecycle manager, Aura operations, VIDM, Aura automation, and VCF 5.2. Then the steps are upgrade the lifecycle manager to 8.18 P2, upgrade the ops and deploy the fleet, download SDM manager, upgrade SDM manager, download the binaries for ESXi and NSX, upgrade the NSX, upgrade the vCenter, upgrade the ESXi, then upgrade the vSAN, and in here upgrade the vSAN, but steps like fleet and this upgrade the ops and the fleet is not mentioned in here because probably, yeah, upgrade the fleet and ops is here. That's why it is not mentioned under the vSphere. Then here we have 5 steps. We are replace the ops certificate, configure a depot and download the binaries, deploy ops collector, import the VCF automation, upgrade the VCF automation, and relicense. Here we are upgrading the ops certificate. Here we are replacing the ops certificate. Deploying. Okay. Now let's do the lab and see how it works out. This one is also a simulation, and this is simulation through the upgrade of the VCF 5.x VCF 9 in this environment where the Aura operation is managed by the Aura Lifecycle Manager. It's like the third case in here also. This one, this stage they are talking about. So you will begin by patching in Aura LCM, followed by the upgrading the Aura operations to VCF operation and deploy the fleet management. The process continues with the upgrade to STDC manager, NSX, vCenter, and ESXi, as well as refreshing the vSAN and virtual distributed switch, vSphere distributed switch. Next, we will deploy the operation collector, import and upgrade the Aura automation to VCF automation, and apply the licensing through the business service console. We'll use this simulation. So this one is this third scenario. So we'll upgrade this one. Yeah, so we mentioned three scenarios in here, and we are doing using scenario 3. So scenario 1 was VCF 5.2 with no Aura automation component deployed. Scenario 2 is VCF 5.2 with a standalone instance of Aura operations not managed by Aura Suite Lifecycle Manager. And third scenario is VCF 5.2 with the instance of Aura operation that is managed by the Aura Lifecycle Management. This will take approximately 40 minutes, and we are going to cover the scenario 3. So steps of the upgrade will be: first we'll upgrade the Lifecycle Manager to 8.18 patch 2, upgrade the Aura operation and deploy the VCF operation fleet manager, upgrade the SDDC manager to version 9.0, deploy the VCF 9.0 binary to the SDDC manager, use the SDDC manager to upgrade the NSX to 9.0, use SDDC manager to upgrade the vCenter to 9.0, use SDDC manager to upgrade the ESXi host to 9.0. Then we'll upgrade the vSAN disk version and vSphere distributed switch version. Upgrade the VCF operation certificate. Deploy the VCF operations collector, aka cloud proxy appliance. Import Aura Automation 8.18 into a VCF Operation Fleet Management. Use VCF Operation Fleet Management to upgrade Aura Automation. License VCF 9.0 using VCF Operation. There are 13 steps. We'll first start with the VCF management. So first we'll check the present version. We are having a version 8.18.0.0. There's no patch 2. So we'll click on settings. We'll go on binary mapping, patch binaries. So we have already imported the patch. Patch is already imported. So otherwise we have to import the patch. So system patch, click on system patch. Apply the new patch, the one which has been uploaded. Click here and install. So now we'll have this patch installed. Once it has been done, LCM Lifecycle Manager will reboot. Once it has been rebooted, then Aura Suite Lifecycle Manager will log in. We'll again check the version, and we'll see it's patch 2. We are compatible. Now we'll perform the step 2, in which we'll upgrade the Aura operation and deploy the fleet management. So we'll click on lifecycle operation, click on environments. Then in the environment, we will view this particular environment, wrapper, click on operations, click on settings, binary mapping. So here you see the VMware operations 9.0 upgrade binaries. Okay, this is a vSphere operation 9, which is already uploaded, and fleet management VCF ops fleet manager here. It is already been uploaded. Okay, then click on environment, viewed on this operations, click on upgrade, proceed, version 9.0, click next, click the VCF, run the assessment of this one, upgrade, view the report and agree to proceed, click next, take the snapshot before proceeding for the upgrade. Then here we'll provide the infrastructure information for VCF fleet, where the new VCF fleet management appliance will be deployed, including the vCenter name, cluster, and the so we have to provide all this information where fleet management has to be deployed. Click next. Here we'll see the network information, IP address for the fleet management, then the FQDN, domain, NTP servers. Click next. Run pre-checks. Then click next and submit for the upgrading of vSphere operations. The workflow will initiate to perform the upgrade. As you see, the workflow consists of multiple stages. The upgrade begins by the first taking the Aura operations cluster offline, after which the snapshot is taken. Aura operation is then upgraded to VCF operation 9.0 and brought back to online, after which snapshot will be removed as soon you choose not to retain it. The time it takes to complete the upgrade will very depend upon the size of the Aura operations cluster and the amount of data that has been collected. To expedite the demo, we have skipped forward to the stage 13, where you see the fleet management appliances being deployed. So click on this cluster 01. In here we'll see that OVF has been deployed, and here target is fleet. Click on lifecycle management, click on environment, view the details, Aura operation is no longer listed in the deployment. Listed as a deployment product in the environment. This is because as a part of the upgrade to the VCF operation 9.0, it was deregistered from the Aura LCM and re-registered with the new Fleet Manager appliance. Following the upgrade to the VCF operation, the Aura LCM Lifecycle Manager continue to run in the environment and will still be used to manage the component of the Aura suite that is not been upgraded to VCF 9. For example, Aura logs VIDM will continue to be managed by the Aura LCM after upgrade to the VCF 9.0. Click the VCF Cloud Foundation Operation browser. Click on Login. This is Operation VCF Ops. In here, click and it shows that we have been upgraded to 9.0. Click OK. Then upgrade the SDDC manager. Click login to SDDC manager. Click on SDDC manager. Download. And then run the pre-check. Then after running the pre-check, upgrade it. And start upgrade. SDDC Manager UI is unavailable during the upgrade. In its place, you can see the overview of the upgrade progress. Click on the scroll down. So we'll see all this upgrade happening. Then SDDC Manager appliance is rebooted. Then we log in to SDDC Manager. Go in Lifecycle Management, SDDC Manager, and here is the new version 9.0. Now we'll download the VCF binary. VCF 9.0 binary. We'll click on binaries, install binaries, select patch binaries, upgrade binaries, workload domain. Once the VCF 9 binaries we see, we upgrade the NSX. Click on MG management. We'll click on updates. We'll see the 4 available updates. Scroll this down. View details. And this is the upgrade sequence. We have the SDDC manager updated, then NXT manager, then vCenter, and then ESXi host 9.0. So first step has already been completed. Remaining 3 steps are to upgrade. All these remaining 3 steps are pending. So we'll just close this one. We'll click on view details and exit detail. Configure upgrades. Click on next. Click. So if you have multiple edge clusters, then by default there will be upgrade in the parallel. Here are the here you can choose the update them sequentially. In the example, you all have accepted by default. Click next. This completes the configuration For the NSX upgrade, click on Run Pre-Check to click the health of the NSX environment. Run Pre-Check, then run the View Details. Back to the upgrade, scroll down, schedule the upgrade, click the upgrade, NSX upgrade. We can upgrade it now instead of scheduling it. This will upgrade the NSX. We can see the status. Exit the status, click scroll, view details. NSX has been upgraded. Now upgrade the vCenter. Close this one. Click next. I have backed up the vCenter. So it's vCenter downtown upgrade to deploy the new vCenter from the source appliance after the configuration is copied and shut down, and the new vCenter is reconfigured based upon the auto to become the active vCenter. Using this approach, only the brief outage is required to switch. So it means like old vCenter will be decommissioned and new one will be utilized. So we I have backup. Okay, it says we have backup the vCenter. Then click next. In here, we'll specify the schedule upgrade. It should be immediate upgrade, and switchover should be automatic. Click next. Finish the review. So this will upgrade the vCenter. So we performed the NSX upgrade vCenter. Now we have to perform the ESX host upgrade. So what we did the SDM upgrade, we did the SDDC manager upgrade, download the binaries for this one, upgrade the NSX, upgrade the vCenter. Now we are going to upgrade the ESXi. ESX. Click on details, scroll down, configure upgrades. Next. Now the image, select the cluster with the images. Okay. Select assign, then we'll assign the image. Click next. Run pre-checks. Schedule update. Click next. Click next. Upgrade it now. View status. There are all of these need to be licensed because it is in a evaluation mode right now. So that's why these 8 errors are there. Click on updates. Scroll down. View details. And in here we can see STDC Manager, NXT, vCenter, and ESX host has been upgraded. Apply all, scroll down. Now click on vSphere, click on configure, scroll it down, check the disk management, pre-check the upgrade, and then upgrade it. So we did the vSAN upgrade here, which is the next step in here, upgrading the VDS. And so we'll click on network, click on switch actions, upgrade. We'll upgrade this distributed switch to version 9.0. Click next. Compatibility check has been performed, and we are moving from 8.0.3 to 9. Likewise, we'll do for other distributed switch. Upgrade, next, compatibility checked, and now it will upgrade. So we did the upgrade of the both distributed switch and the vSAN. Now we'll go and upgrade the ops in the next stage. So we'll go on cloud foundation operation, click on fleet management, click on certificates. So in here we'll replace the certificate ops, which is step 10. Configure CA, cancel. This is we'll click on these ellipses, generate CSR, scroll down, save. So we just use the CA to create the CSR and in turn update the VCF operation TLS certificate. Now click on ellipsis, replace with the configured CA certificate, confirmed. Click on life cycle. Now when this is done, this step is done, now we'll do the 11th step, deploy and configure report and download the management binaries. So deploy the VCF operation cluster. So we'll click on manager. In ops we'll go in VCF management, add nodes, proceed, scroll down, next, scroll down, next, scroll down, add the components in this cloud proxy, deploy the VCF operation collector. We are deploying the collector. Okay, click next, run the pre-checks, click next, submit. So once we submit, the workflow will trigger and VCF operation collector appliance will be deployed. Be aware that the VCF operation instance is taken offline while the collector is deployed. It is brought back online following the collector deployment. Click on the workflow window to move forward with the deployment. Click on VCF vSphere. Here we'll see the collector getting deployed. Click the Lifecycle Manager. In the workflow screen, we can see the that particular collector has been deployed. Click on Overview. Click on Manage. Click on Topology. This is a cloud proxy and we have the collector. It has two nodes, one primary and one replica. One primary and one replica. Now click on vSphere. Now we'll see this is a collector and this is the ops1 and ops2. Ops1 is one is primary and the one is replica. Now what's the next step? It says certificates is done, binaries are downloaded, deployed the ops collector, import the VCF automation. So next step is importing the Aura automation 8.18. Click on life cycle overview. Then we need to have an automation add import from legacy fleet. Click here, view details. We have 8.18 instance that will be importing. So here you see the details of the Aura automation 8.18 that will be imported into the VCF operation fleet management. Return to the VCF fleet management to import the Aura operation. Okay. Now we are going to import. Click next. We'll provide the credential of the lifecycle management. Click next. We'll select the Trapper suite. Click next. Scroll down. Understand that it irreversible action. Okay. Submit. So VCF Aura 8.18 instance is imported to VCF operation fleet and second workflow initiated. Return to a task and you will see it is in progress. VCF automation. We'll see the workflow in here. Return to the task and here we can see it has been completed automation. Go in overview. Click on binary management. So we just did the upgrade of the VCF. We imported the VCF automation. Now we have to do the upgrade of the VCF automation. Click on in binaries. We can see that VCF automation 9 version is available. Click on component, upgrade plan the upgrade. So we'll upgrade to create a plan for automation. Now this is for automation. The pending, it is pending. We'll click on upgrade, environment, trigger inventory synchronization, and then so no longer use the VCF 9 here. You will notice that if you have a cloud and account component in the area or automation 8.18 instance, that you will need to follow the steps outlining the references, acknowledging the base article before proceeding with the upgrade. Proceed. So fleet manager's step, you thought the process of reviewing the Aura automation configuration and then initiate the upgrade. Note that for convenience, most of the values are auto-populated by the fleet manager. Review the details of the management domain vCenter configuration. Click, scroll down, click next, scroll down, click next, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, click next, click next, scroll down. So we did the VCF automation upgrade. Go in overview, click on manage. First we imported and then we did the upgrade. In here we'll see the version, it is 9.0. Click on overview. The upgrade has been done. Now the last part is licensing it. Click on vSphere. So we did the upgrade up till here. Now we have to relicense the vSphere 9. Click on view your licenses in here. Version 9. Click on lifecycle. Go on license management. And you are doing through the VCF operations. So click on register, and there are two ways to register VCF operation with the BSF. One is connected mode, other one is disconnected mode. In connected mode, if you are connected to the internet, you are connected in a connected mode. The connection mode is the easiest way to license the VCF 9. As you simply click on the link to connect the PSC, where you register the VCF operation instance and assign the license file. The registration will generate an activation key that you copy and paste the VCF operation. Disconnect mode, if you are not connected to the internet, you use the disconnect mode. With this method, you download the registration file from the VCF operation and move it to a location where the internet access, where you have an internet access. From there, you connect to VCF to update the registration file and assign your licenses. A license file will then be generated for your download and import the VCF operation. Regardless of which method you choose, the net effect is same. A single license file is created and copied to the VCF operation. Click on download registration file. So we are using disconnect option. Upload to the service console, download, go in registration, import the licensing, browse it. The license which we just downloaded will upload here, import. This is completed. Go on licenses, click here, assign the primary license, and this is license is assigned. So assign the add-on license for VCF. The primary licenses will license the vCenter, NSX, and ASXi. To license the vCenter, you need to click on add-on license and assign. So once vCenter license is done, then all the licenses has been applied. Click here and you'll see earlier it was in evaluation mode. After refresh, it has been changed to primary licensing. So this is how we perform the VCF upgrade from 5.x to 5.9. Thank you.